two-syllable words. In second and third grade, you get to learn two-syllable words. Let's put these syllables together to make two-syllable words. How about I find the first syllable and you find the second?
Okay, I like making big words.
How about nap? If that's the first syllable, what might be the second syllable?
How about time for nap time?
Good. Can you find another syllable that makes a two-syllable word with nap?
I got it. Kin for napkin. Napkin is a two-syllable word.
Now here's an easy one. Base. What might the second syllable be for a new word?
Ball. Base plus ball makes the word baseball.
Okay, now I'll put the syllables together and you can read all the two-syllable words now.
Pancake. Combine. Napkin. Bedtime and baseball. What does combine mean?
I'm so glad you asked because we always want to know the meaning of words. Combine means to put together. In fact, we are combining syllables to make two-syllable words. We are putting the syllables together.